Hi friends, welcome back my channel Unity Car. Just imagine, what if you could get the world's most powerful SUV, the Land Cruiser LC300, for less than half of its original price? Would you believe it? Well, it's true, and it's possible. But only for those who watch this video till the end, and comment, LC300 price, below. In reply, we'll reveal a secret that no showroom will ever tell you. So don't skip this video. Because what you're about to witness is nothing short of a dream. This is the all-new 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser LC300. Not just an SUV. It's a statement, a new form of power. When this beast hits the road, people don't just look, they stop in awe. From the front, it looks like the face of a lion. A massive chrome grille with the Toyota emblem shining like a crown in the center. Flanked by ultra-modern LED headlamps. Their beams are no less than a laser. The bonnet lines aren't just design. Their attitude. They speak power and dominance. From the side, the LC300 looks like a tank. But this tank is dressed in pure elegance. 21-inch dual-tone alloy wheels. Their design alone grabs all the attention. With bold wheel arches that turn this SUV into a true off-road beast. The side mirrors come with integrated indicators. Chrome lines flow across the body, giving it a majestic royal appearance. The door handles too are chrome finished. Touch them, and you'll feel luxury right under your fingers. On the roof, you'll spot sleek roof rails and a shark fin antenna. Design elements that scream, future ready. Now the rear view, oh my god. Despite being such a massive SUV, not a single design cut feels out of place. The LED tail lamps are so slim and sharp, you'd think you're looking at a spaceship. The high-mounted brake light built into the spoiler is so stylish. You'll want to turn around and look again, and again. Down below, the strong bumper, skid plate, and dual exhaust finishers clearly prove that this SUV isn't just built for cities. It's meant for jungles, mountains, and deserts. Toyota has made the exterior of the LC300 so aerodynamic that even at high speeds, you'll feel planted and in control. No wind noise, no stability issues. Just a smooth, powerful, and confident ride. And the most amazing part, you can get this car for less than half its actual price. But only if you comment LC300 price. And we'll make you part of Unity Car's exclusive group, where real deals happen, and the hidden truth of every model is revealed. So hit that subscribe button now. Like the video, share it, because in the next video, we're bringing you another car, another bang, only on Unity Car.